Hi, I'm Frank Lynham, and I'm going to show you this Bark Whisperer tool. This was something that my kids asked for about 3 or 4 months ago. I showed them a demo of some command line tools, and they lost interest. So I decided to whip it up yesterday afternoon, and I added a translation feature this morning, and I'll show you that as well. So the idea is that you record some audio, and it'll turn that into text, and then it'll turn that back into audio. So it sort of breaks the chain between recording and sort of an output file. So we'll give it an example here. Mary had a little lamb; its fleece was white as snow. So there's that file. Mary had a little lamb; its fleece was white as snow. We'll go ahead and upload that to the server. So this is running on the server in my basement, which is running 2090 or 3090, I guess. And so it's going to produce an output in English with a synthetic voice here in a moment. We can hear what that sounds like.
Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow.
So it uses the Whisper model to convert it into text, and then the Bark model to convert it back into a language, into spoken words. So we're going to go ahead and translate that to French. Let's see how that sounds. So we're going to reprocess that with the French translation. And it should just take a few seconds here. I don't speak French, so I'm going to have to guess that this is right.
Mary. Et il y avait appelé.
We can go ahead and do a German. Why not? And we'll see what singing German saying Mary Had a Little Lamb sounds like. I think it'll just say Mary Had a Lamb.
So, Mary hat ein wenig, aber Witz.
It's about as good at singing as I am. So the purpose of this is not to be a perfect tool for translating and speech to text and text to speech, but really a demo of the idea that you can take these open source tools and slap them together really quickly if you have the right sort of full stack skill set. So I added that translation feature. I got the speech to or the text to speech working. I did that all in the past day, right? I made this entire user interface yesterday afternoon. Everything you see here is brand new. The only part that I made a couple months ago was the text to speech to show it to my kids. They didn't like the AI generated voice, but everything you see here is completely new. So the story there is that you can do this quickly if you use the right open source tools. Thank you.